Welcome to Rediscovery, where the wonders of space and science ignite. Have you ever dreamed of exploring the moon? What if you could journey across its surface, exploring craters and mountains? You don't need to be an astronaut to experience the wonders of the moon. We can uncover the moon's secrets right from our backyards. Get ready for an exciting adventure. We can learn so much about the moon without leaving Earth. It's all about knowing where to look and what to do. So, gather your curiosity and get ready to blast off on a lunar adventure from home. One of the easiest ways to explore the moon is by simply looking up. The night sky has always fascinated humanity, and the moon with its serene glow is a constant companion in our nocturnal adventures. On a clear night, the moon shines brightly in the sky, casting a gentle light that filters through the branches of trees, creating a magical atmosphere. But to get a closer look, you can use a telescope. Telescopes have been revolutionary in our quest to understand the cosmos. Telescopes make faraway objects appear closer, allowing us to see details that are invisible to the naked eye. They can reveal the moon's craters, mountains, and valleys in amazing detail. Each crater tells a story of ancient impacts, and the mountains stand as silent witnesses to the moon's history. Don't worry if you don't have a telescope. There are other ways to explore the moon's surface. There are special apps you can download on your phone or tablet. These apps are designed to bring the wonders of the moon right to your fingertips. These apps show you what the moon looks like from different places and times. You can track the moon's phases, and even see how it appears from various locations around the world. You can even zoom in and out to see different parts of the lunar surface. This technology allows you to explore the moon in ways that were once only possible with expensive equipment. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's embark on a fun and educational journey that brings the lunar surface right into your home. We're going to recreate the moon's surface using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. To start, gather some flour and cocoa powder. These will be the main components of our moon dust. Mix them together in a bowl until you get a dusty gray powder that resembles the surface of the moon. Next, find a large tray or baking dish. Spread the moon dust evenly across the bottom to create a smooth, flat surface. Now comes the exciting part. We're going to make craters, just like the ones you see on the moon. Use different size balls or marbles to create craters in your moon dust. Experiment with various objects to see the different shapes and sizes of craters you can make. Drop them from different heights to observe how the impact changes the crater shapes. Notice how higher drops create larger craters while lower drops make smaller ones. To add an extra layer of realism, shine a flashlight on your model moon. Watch how the light creates shadows in the craters, mimicking the way sunlight interacts with the moon's surface. This simple activity not only brings the lunar surface to life, but also helps you understand the science behind crater formation and shadow play on the moon. Embark on a virtual moon mission. Did you know you can explore the moon from your computer? There are amazing websites and computer programs that let you take virtual moon missions. You can pilot a lunar rover, explore famous landing sites, and even conduct scientific experiments. These virtual missions are like playing a video game, but they teach you real science about the moon. You can learn about the moon's gravity, its atmosphere, or lack of one, and the challenges of living and working in space. Capture the moon's magic photography tips. The moon makes a stunning subject for photography. Its ethereal glow and ever-changing phases offer endless opportunities for creativity. Whether it's a full moon illuminating the night or a crescent moon peeking through the clouds, each phase has its own unique charm, and you don't need a fancy camera to capture its beauty. Modern smartphones come equipped with powerful cameras that can take impressive night shots. With a little practice, you can achieve professional-looking results. You can take amazing moon pictures right from your smartphone. The key is to find a stable position to avoid any blurriness. Use a tripod or rest your phone on a stable surface to keep it steady. Here's a tip. If your phone has a pro mode for taking pictures, use it. Pro mode allows you to manually adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and focus, giving you more control over the final image. It lets you adjust the brightness and focus to get a clearer shot of the moon. Play around with these settings to see what works best for the lighting conditions and the type of shot you want to achieve. Experiment with different angles and compositions. Try shooting the moon from various perspectives to add depth and interest to your photos. You might be surprised at how different the moon can look from different angles. Try including trees or buildings in your photos to create interesting silhouettes against the moonlit sky. These elements can add context and scale to your images, making them more dynamic and engaging. Share your lunar masterpieces with friends and family. Social media platforms are a great way to showcase your work and get feedback from others. You might even inspire someone else to start their own moon photography journey. Remember, exploring the moon is a journey, not a destination. Each photo you take is a step in your creative journey, helping you improve your skills and see the world in new ways. Every time you look up at the night sky, think about the wonders that await. The moon is just one of many celestial bodies that can inspire awe and curiosity. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop reaching for the stars and the moon. Your next great shot could be just a click away. Now go out there and start your lunar adventure. Equip yourself with your camera or smartphone, find a perfect spot, and let the moonlight guide your creativity. Happy shooting, thanks for watching.